Baby thrill seekers.
Give me your other foot. Okay, stand up.
Ready? Go.
Baby thrill seekers.
Gibson.
Try it one more time.
Oh, what kind of mommy does that? Mommies are supposed to watch daddies do that and be scared. They're indestructible.
Just wants to stand. Okay, take your first steps, Gibby. 4 months old. And he's jumping and stepping and walking.
He needs a Johnny Jumper. I bet he'd love it.
Look at you walk, Gib. Come here. Look at you walk.
Well, he has to crawl. Don't let him skip that step.
No, he doesn't. He is crawling. He's
What
rolling.
he's doing, scooting, is considered. It's not necessarily crawling. It's just any type of movement that's more than rolling. So his scooting is the equivalent to crawling.
I've never seen him take these steps before.
I know. Look at him go.
Gibby.
Please tell me someone's filming this because this is hilarious.
Yeah, my dad.
I am.
Gibby.
Gibby.
Come here.
He's like anything to get to his girlfriend. Come here, girlfriend.
Gibby, do I just bring out the smarts in you?
Yeah.
Like this kid.
Look at him
Look
taking
at
his
that.
walks.
So precious.
He's taking his walks.
But
Okay, that's all. Bye-bye, Gibby.